Let me get into the menu.
What? Don't register.
I said no.
You said yes. Can we keep this?
No.
Come on.
Ladies and gentlemen, fruit of all ages, usual Plumbot here, and I'm joined today with my guest grape, Glorphy, who promised he wasn't going to do that.
That's the sound grapes make, dude.
Yeah, you're probably right. Anyway, Glorphy, he's actually done a lot of the channel art. He's one of the main artists I use.
I made the grape in the thumbnail.
Yeah.
I'm the grape.
He's also a quality comedian. Check out his YouTube channel. It's linked in the description.
It doesn't exist.
Yeah, there's no YouTube channel.
Let's play the game, dude.
Oh, are you sure?
I'm super ready.
Should I load or should I hit new game?
You should hit load. Let's see if there's anything else.
Oh, sweet.
That was an epilepsy.
So you've seen a playthrough this game, but you haven't played it yourself?
No, I've not played it myself, and I've made all my judgments on the game purely through vicarious watching of someone else.
Fantastic. Ooh, spoopy. So, I haven't even seen this game at all. I know nothing about it.
Prepare to have your mind blown.
Ooh, which one should I pick?
Whatever one doesn't destroy your capture.
Fantastic. So probably none of them.
Yeah. Keep subtitles. People like subtitles.
Do they?
Yeah.
People are gross.
You're gross. Wow. How do you like your games? I know the way I like my games.
Like going out of like good exercise, but not too strenuous.
All right, go to the top one.
Man, this is not my. Okay.
All right.
The walk. Top one.
There's only one choice here.
I like climbing mountains.
I don't, but I like what it's implying. I do approve.
Okay, that was hard, right?
Yeah. Now you can choose. I mean, you don't want me to tell you which one's harder.
Wait, one of them's harder?
What? Yeah, one is like hard mode.
Ooh, so it's like.
I think. I don't know.
Oh, he has a penny in his.
I forgot I'm on the internet. I can't just state facts I'm not sure about.
Yeah.
No one does that.
Not on the internet, no. No one would ever do that on the internet.
Okay, he's the hard one.
What?
Nothing.
I wasn't going to pick him because he has a penny.
Oh, okay.
But now I have to.
He has a penny?
Yeah, he has a penny in his wallet. See it?
Look like you implying he's poor.
No, I'm saying pennies are dumb.
Oh,
I hate pennies.
All right,
do you know how much money it takes to make a penny?
Dude, I bet all of your subscribers are pennies and you piss them off.
You're right. This isn't going in the final video.
Yes,
we'll have to start over.
All right, we're starting.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, usual Plumbot here. No, we're not restarting. So I'm gonna close my eyes and just pick one at random.
All right, do it. There you go. Stop.
No, you can't tell me to stop. But I picked him.
Oh, guess I told you to stop.
Okay.
Who's Chris Redfield?
So we're gonna be trying out 10-minute episodes. If you guys want to see more, like a longer episode, let me know. We're not gonna do anything. Ooh, cutscene.
Team is flying around the forest zone situated in northwest Raccoon City, where we are searching for the helicopter of our compatriots, Bravo Team, who disappeared.
It's always Bravo Team.
You can't talk during a cutscene. Shut up.
I can't hear myself over cutscenes, so it's fine.
Have recently occurred in Raccoon City. There are outlandish reports of families being attacked by a group of about 10 people.
They've already seen this game. It's like 1998.
Apparently eaten. The Bravo team was sent in to investigate.
This is a really long cutscene.
Dude, this goes on for like 5 minutes.
Really?
Yeah, you want to talk between those cutscenes?
Now we have to.
Yeah. Can you hear yourself talking?
A little. Yeah, I can hear myself and you because my headset's going through the mic.
Oh.
Only professional grade equipment here on
Technical
Plumbot Season
stuff.
2.
Whoa. That guy's fine.
Whoa. Da da da.
This qualifies a horror game?
No.
We continued
Whoa.
search for the other members.
Alright, it's your first controversial statement on the internet.
Turned into
It's like action with horror elements, yeah?
I think this one's full on horror from what I heard.
Is it?
'Cause people hate the new ones because they're just action.
Well, yeah, I knew that. I don't know.
This reminds me of
I didn't grow up with it.
Remember Halo 1 when like you got the guy's chip?
I love Halo 1.
Yeah, me too. But you put the chip in, you were watching from his perspective, and it was like the crappy video.
Yeah.
It's just like that.
Yeah, it's like the whole game, crappy video. Just kidding.
Like that. That's what I'm talking
Oh.
about. Yeah, so I have seen every movie that's come out so far
Yeah,
for
but
Resident
not
Evil.
the game.
Right, but I've only played through 6.
Are you
I've
gonna
never
watch
played
the
through.
Assassin's Creed movie.
Yeah, definitely.
People like it. Which shocked me. Oh, those are called... I know what those are called.
Dogs. Those are called dogs.
No, they're clearly not.
Do you know what a dog is?
Yeah, do you?
Apparently, but you don't.
Yeah.
That was obviously a
No,
dog.
they have a name.
A
I don't
zombie
remember.
dog. Is that it?
Zomdog?
Yeah.
Zod.
No, these were in the movies.
No, they have a name. They're called bloodhounds. Get it? It's because it's blood.
Why didn't she shoot?
She did shoot.
No, she didn't. The guy did.
Oh.
Yeah, she just stood there. So this takes place before Raccoon City fell?
Yes!
Okay, the first movie takes place in Raccoon
I
City
have seen
during the fall.
none of the movies or games but this
Oh, no,
one.
no. It takes place right before it, like when the base fell.
Dun-dun-dun-dun.
Chris, this way.
So is this cutscene remastered?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, definitely. This is too good graphics. Too
Okay. Fine. I did not grow up with this game.
make for that mansion.
Yeah, dude.
Like, they're just dogs. You have guns.
Well, but there's a mansion. It's probably good. A good residence.
Enter the survival horror.
It's a good residence.
There are only 3 STARS members left now.
Resident good.
Captain Wesker, Jill, and myself.
That's not what happens in the movie.
Barry is.
Oh, does it deviate? I'm shocked.
Is everyone all right?
There's a lot more STARS members.
Barry.
They're in the...
Where's Barry?
Unless, like, that's a different group of STARS.
No.
Jerry?
What was that?
Jerry!
Oh, is that the sunglasses guy?
Wesker?
Go and check it out.
Wesker's sunglasses,
All right.
dude.
Oh, then I already know the twist.
You know, yeah.
Oh, no spoilers for the
This
viewers,
was gonna
though.
be a blind playthrough, but someone...
It is a blind playthrough still. I still know nothing else about this game.
If you take off your glasses, it'll be a blind playthrough.
Nobody knows that I wear glasses.
They do now.
Oh, no. Glasses reveal at 100 subs.
It's only your glasses.
Wait, is this...
Yeah, we're playing.
Oh, my God. This is disgusting.
Why? The camera angle? You don't like the tank controls? This game is made... Like, this game is known for tank controls.
Okay, that's fine, but, like...
Can you, like...
Okay, guys, we're back. We had
And we're back.
slight audio complications here. Only the best from usual Plumbot Season 2, guys.
Wait, is
Only
this
the
in
best.
Season 2?
Yeah, this is the first Let's Play in Season 2.
Oh, this is the pilot?
Yeah,
Sweet.
so we're not going to get renewed.
No. Alright.
Okay,
Maybe
so...
like Futurama was get canceled a bunch and always come back.
Well, I would be the one canceling.
Oh, would you?
Yeah, unless my viewers, like, really hate it. So.
Why did you stop Futurama, dude?
Oh, wow, there's a quick turn button?
Is there?
Okay, so... I'm trying to interact with...
Click it.
That does nothing.
We've clearly never played this game before.
Oh my...
So are we gonna
F.
cut? Are we gonna cut these parts, or are we
No.
gonna keep?
These are going in. We'll cut the difficulty part, but not
What do you mean the difficulty part?
when we had audio difficulty.
Oh, okay.
Okay, will I take the
They
ink
might
ribbon?
they needed to
Yes.
probably, I don't know, retexture that ink ribbon if they're gonna remaster this. You know,
Okay, so then F here?
this looks nice
It's
actually.
an old typewriter. Yeah, I'm guessing this is how you save.
Yeah.
You can save in
Save in
progress.
progress.
Use the ink ribbon.
Yeah, you have limited saves.
Oh, each one is a save?
No, each ink ribbon is a single save.
Yeah, that's...
Isn't that cool? I've been told you have more than enough though.
Okay, that's not very accurate, though.
What?
Ink ribbons are used for a long time in typewriters.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, this guy controls really slow.
Well, yeah, welcome to Resident Evil.
I like how it's shot like a crappy indie film.
Kyle, you should have used a controller. This game was made for a controller.
No,
I
man.
think.
No way.
Yeah, that's why you're walking so smoothly. That needs
Yes.
to be retextured. Why didn't they retexture those? Everything else
They
looks
did.
so nice.
They did retexture it.
It's so blurry.
But, like, I just took that shield.
Wow. Where'd you put it?
So are there a bunch of secret things that you can interact with?
I don't know. I don't remember. I watched Game Grumps play it, but only had it like half listening.
That's a nice painting right there, man. Look at that. Look
Ooh.
at that. Oh, that's a nice
Be you in
wall.
a second. Move on. Oh, whoa.
Yeah, so I guess you can...
Wait, so what happened to the flashing interactable rule? Is it just out the window?
I guess it's like old school RPGs, like a 2D RPG. Like
It's
you can interact with everything.
Like a click adventure.
Like I bet I can interact with this. Yep.
When the two have run each other through, then the path destiny will open. That's referring to the painting, yeah?
That's in reference to the painting, but it's also... I'm betting it's foreshadowing the plot, maybe? Like when someone runs through one of my friends, then my path will be revealed.
So
I'm
killed your friend at sight to progress.
No, I'm gonna be betrayed, and then I'll
Oh, I wonder who will betray you.
Oh yeah, it's not sunglasses, man.
Whoa! Spoiler!
Spoilers.
Spoilers, dude.
That was a Doctor Who reference. Okay. Oh no, this is just a secret path.
Is it?
Yeah.
Alright, well, you wanna get out of this room?
Yeah.
Let's get out of this room.
Okay. We're gonna do 15-minute episodes.
Alright.
Because
The first episode should be 15 minutes.
Okay. Well, like...
The first episode should always go a little longer. Because you're figuring out controls. Such as how to open doors. You know about these, right? The famous Resident Evil door transition.
Did I do that? Or, like,
Yes.
does it do it on it? Oh, I have to do that?
No, you did it. Like,
Like, did I control that, or does it do it on
no.
its own?
No, it does it
Okay.
on its own.
This is gonna be really claustrophobic and tight. Like if I have to fight a zombie, I don't even know how to attack.
That's the point. Yeah.
I can quick turn though. That's nice.
That's good.
Like,
Good,
I'm a
you can
ballerina.
show him your butt if you find a zombie.
There we go.
Don't kill me, zombie. I got the moves.
So I'm gonna go through this door. I'm betting it's gonna be locked, and then
You can
I'm gonna
figure it out.
Yep. And
It's
then
locked from the other side. Didn't think of that, did you?
I'm gonna go down this hallway, and a zombie's gonna come out of it.
I appreciate that this is a horror game where you actually come fully armed and prepared.
Yeah, but then you still apparently get terrified because this is a scary game.
Is it?
Oh yeah, scary.
Oh, the only thing scary
Oh god.
is trying to figure out where you're going.
Like, and these angles don't even make sense for like.
No,
being...
no, shut up. That's what it's famous for.
Yeah, they're cool. Like it's a cool idea for a game.
And it builds it's like the idea of if it's hard to control your character, you feel more vulnerable. Plum, you're ruining my immersion.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh yeah, cut out your name there.
Oh yeah, you said my name.
I did say your name.
Here,
Plummy.
here, say Plum.
Plummy.
Just Plum.
Plum.
Okay, I'll just edit it so when you said my name, you just say Plum.
You'd edit this whole thing right here with just me saying Plum.
Yes.
An emblem of a sword is carved into the lock.
So
An emblem of a sword is carved into the lock. Yeah, it's probably a display menu. This is actually PT. Gotta get the sword from
no,
the
I
business
already got
options.
the emblem. I got the shield, but I'm trying to figure out.
That's the one.
That's the. Oh, I have a map. Sweet.
Yeah.
Man,
Probably I.
this game really just drops you in it.
That's how I like it. Morrowind, dude.
Oh, yeah, do you guys want us to play Morrowind?
I do. It's like the best Elder Scrolls game. Hands down.
My viewers are gonna hate you.
Plum. Your viewers are gonna hate you because you can't get through a door.
Okay, so
Jump cut.
Okay.
Oh, you did it. Why didn't you do that long ago?
I don't even know what button. Okay, so I can't use it now.
Maybe your combat knife is the sword. Oh yeah, you can combine objects.
Okay.
Fun fact. You should equip that.
It was equipped. I just unequipped it.
Oh.
I'm very good at games, by the way.
You have the you don't have the sword yet.
So I need to get a sword emblem.
Yeah. Just good scrap piece of paper, draw a sword on it, you're golden. You okay there? Did you have a stroke?
It's so disorienting.
Yeah,
disorienting
that's the
and
idea.
weird. Did I try this door yet?
Yeah, it didn't work.
Okay.
I love armor. Ooh,
Oh, so I can do the thing.
the shield. That's not armor, but close.
Okay. Never mind. I knew that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you're right.
Definitely.
Jump cut. It was perfect. Jump cut.
This guy's in the later movies, by the way. This
Is
is
he?
Chris Redfield. Yeah.
Oh, that was the dude of the name that happened.
But
and
he
asked
was in the
what it
movies
was.
like by the time they were already really bad, so it doesn't matter.
Were they cut like this?
Oh, dude, I wish. This is better than the actual movie.
Hey, I think you went the right way. Oh, look, it's
No.
Progress Zombie.
Hello, Progress Zombie. You know what you know what he says? You know
Progress?
what he yells?
What?
You know.
I
Oh,
know.
I've seen this before, this part.
This is actually kind of cool.
Oh, maybe we shouldn't have any lights. Oh, should I leave?
Oh, do you want me to turn the lights off?
Yeah, turn the lights off.
So I want to miss this compelling gameplay.
Okay, so like, am I supposed to kill him? I don't even know how to attack.
Glowing red.
Okay, how do I attack?
Oh god, I lost my headphones.
Then how do I attack?
They're gonna hear the headphones clang against the
I just
seat.
said your name 3 times.
Okay, you're gonna have to cut that all out.
Glorphy, how do I attack?
How do I attack? How do you attack?
Yeah.
I don't know. Raise your arm.
Cripes.
I think you just confound him with your movements, and then he falls down. Ooh, that was sensual.
Oh my god.
So what kind of jokes do you want on this channel? I mean, Plummy. Do you want some classy jokes?
First of all, we need to get down just not
Do you want some-
saying our real names.
Do you want
Like,
some highbrow humor?
because then we could do a name reveal and it'll be a nice like gimmick.
Oh, because you totally remember to cut out everyone.
Oh yes, every single one.
Figure out how to attack. Okay. Escape. Controls.
Oh,
Here it comes.
That's a good idea.
We're leaving this in. There it is. Attack.
Oh, it's left mouse button.
Oh my god. I'm disliking this video. Cut that name out again.
We can't.
Get him. Yeah.
Oh, I'm.
He's taking you against the wall, dude.
You just one attack and you lose.
No. One attack and you win, apparently.
Wait, but he just bit me. That's a zombie.
You don't know the rules. We don't know what the rules are yet.
But that's a zombie. He just
Well,
bit
the
me.
rules are different. Maybe. It's T-virus, dude.
Yeah,
Maybe you can't kill it.
maybe it's because I'm not hitting its head.
Aim higher, Chris Redfield.
Oh, I died.
You think you died? Oh, that's really white.
Oh god, maybe we should have left it.
Get used to it.
I hope that achievement.
That's
comes
a message to our viewers.
There an achievement just popped up that said
Oh, does it not capture?
I'm not sure if it captures the overlay or not, but an achievement just popped up said get used to it. Okay, so
We're gonna load the game we never saved.
we did save.
Oh, did we?
Ah, god.
Epilepsy warning.
And we're gonna give that another go in the next part. That was part 1.
Next time on... What's your outro? You didn't think of an outro.
This is my outro.